is up, YouTube? Oh. Hello, my fellow friends. Welcome back to my channel. If you're just a normal subscriber to my channel, this might seem kind of odd to you, but this is kind of a school project, so it's not really meant for you guys. But don't worry, I'll make a video soon, next week. So I got this equation. This is more for my teacher, Ms. Watkins. Shout out to you. So I'm gonna do this equation. I'm gonna show you guys how to do this equation. So the first step you want to do, is draw this line. So what this line does is separates the two from this right here. All right, this expression. So once you do that, that's the very first thing you do to one of these equations. So once you have done that, you have to find like terms, which is the n and this coefficient. So this is negative 2n and n. This is a regular n. So you add these two, and this gets you negative n. And you bring this 8 down, and you bring this 2 down. So once you got this, basically all we did was simplify into this right here. So now what you want to do is find like terms again, which is this 8, this positive 8, and this positive 2. So first thing you do is you turn the 8 into a negative and subtract it by itself, and this cancels out because this equals 0. But you have to do this to this side too. And this is negative 6. Well, once you got that, then you have to bring negative n down. So now once you got this one-step equation, you have to basically, what you have to do is you have to divide it now. So the n equals a 1. The n equals a 1. So basically this is basically saying negative 1 divided by negative 1. And since you did this side, you have to do this side too. So negative 6 divided by negative 1. This gets you 6. And if you do this one, this goes n, meaning 1. And this is your answer for this equation. Alright guys, so now I'm going to do another equation, but this one's going to be a little bit harder. So this is pretty long, but don't get intimidated. So the first thing you want to do is draw the line. That really helps what's separating. So the second thing now you want to do is add the like terms. If there's like terms on one side, then you have to add those. If they're on two separate sides, then you cannot add those. So this is a positive 3x and another positive 3x, and this equals 6x. Drop the 2 down, negative 2 I mean. And so for this side, you get negative 2 plus 6x equals, so now you have to find the like terms here, which is the 1 and the negative 7. So you have to add these, and then you get the negative 6, because 1 plus negative 7 is 6. And then you drop the positive 8 down. There. So this is our new equation. Alright, so now what you want to do is find the like terms. If they're not on the same side, then you can't add those. You have to So right here, these aren't like terms. These don't match, and these don't match either. So what you have to do is add -2. You have to turn -2 into a positive, and then what the heck? Oh, this cancels out, so this becomes 0. So, but you have to do this to the other like term right here. So you have to put +2, and that becomes -4. And then you drop the 8x down. So what you got left is 6x equals -4 plus 8x. Now, again, you have to find like terms right here. It's the 8 and the 6, but you can't add these because they're on two separate sides. So you have to turn the 8 and cancel it out. And you have to do it on the other side. 6x plus -8, which that equals to -2x equals -4. Alright, since there's kind of glare here, I just kind of rewrote it here. So what you want to do now is that you want to divide now. You want to divide the coefficient to -4. So you have to divide 2 by -4, and that gives you +2. And that is your answer. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Smash that subscribe button and like the video. Next video will be coming out next week. I'm gonna try to keep up with the whole YouTube, but it's been kind of hard because of school. So this video was basically made for school, just to project. So link to merch is down in the description if you guys want some, and see you guys later.